Let's go.
We have no lights.
We have no lights, nothing. It's okay.
Okay.
I mean, I can go, but can you fit?
Maybe. I'm not so fat. It's okay, just try it. If you fit, I try.
I can fit, but you cannot fit.
So you go alone first. I mean,
Wait, we cannot move this.
let's try to pull it a little bit. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's moving. Okay.
Oh, this is so good. On est dans un château abandonné. C'est exceptionnel. C'est tellement excitant. Je suis un petit peu comme ça. C'est la première, enfin, c'est assez rare qu'on puisse rentrer dans un lieu comme ça, mais vraiment sans aucune préparation, sans s'y attendre. Regarde comme c'est creepy. Tout, regarde, il y a encore tout à l'intérieur. C'est incroyable. C'est incroyable.
It's super creepy.
Yeah, wow. Look. C'est des décorations. Oh, regarde. C'est plein de boîtes. Est-ce que les trucs qu'on trouve dans les... Est-ce que les trucs qu'on trouve dans les temples, tu sais, c'est des boîtes, des présentoirs et trucs comme ça, tout neuf emballé. Putain, il y a ça comme ça. Oh. Est-ce que ce serait pas pour mettre un katana, ça?
Wow.
Ok, let's continue. Regarde ça.
Fucking weird.
This is nice.
Yeah.
What is that?
Yeah. When is it? What date is
I
it?
don't know, I cannot read it. Is it
Opposite side? 2007.
Oh,
What?
10 years ago.
Look how it looks like.
I don't know.
This
I
is
don't
like
know.
fish. But it's good packed, it's no problem.
Stop. Look at this. This is for monks. No?
They're made of bear,
I don't know.
I
I
think.
should not touch this. This is
It's
exciting.
crazy.
I
This is
didn't
so
expect
cool.
something. Look. Oh, it's a real one. No? Oh no, it's
No, it's
plastic.
plastic.
Wow. They have so many trash. Like they were living here actually. Like, il y avait des gens qui vivaient dedans, je pense, parce que. Oh, ça c'est tellement lourd. C'est quoi ça?
What is this?
I don't know.
It's gold?
No, it's not. Oh, the peeled. Sometimes we need this.
Yeah.
Tout est là comme ça depuis 10 ans. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça? C'est des bonbons. se mange ça.
Yeah,
C'est
man.
incroyable qu'il n'y ait pas de rat qui ait bouffé tout ce qu'il a bouffé. Regarde, ça c'est les autographes de personnalités qui sont venues ici.
Wow.
Qu'est-ce qu'on a là-dedans? Ah, ça c'était Sébastien,
The
c'est
office?
magasin de souvenirs.
Ah, souvenir shop.
Ouais. Il s'occupe des boîtes vides.
Wow.
Ah, en fait, tout ce qu'il y a là, c'était peut-être des souvenirs, hein, c'était dans les caisses.
Mm.
Ah, les boîtes, c'est les boîtes vides en fait. Et c'est ça, c'est quand tu...
Dieu.
C'est les... oh, c'est super cher, c'est 1000 et quelques euros, 2500 euros. C'est les poupées qu'on met en décoration dans sa maison.
The inside here?
Hein? Non, it's empty, just empty boxes.
Ah.
C'est les poupées qu'on met en décoration dans sa maison pour la fête des jeunes filles, la fête des garçons.
Wow.
Comme toujours, t'as les reçus. C'est les liu chouchou, les tickets.
Nice.
J'aurais jamais imaginé qu'un jour on puisse rentrer ici, quoi. Ah mais regarde, ça y est, hein. C'est plein.
Wow,
Hein.
it's still here.
Mais t'as vu les prix? T'as vu, c'était les trucs à 1000 et quelques euros. Et là, c'est comme ça, là. Putain, c'est lourd en plus. C'est super heavy. Et c'est magnifique. Il faut que je prenne une photo Instagram.
Crazy that it's still here. Look, it's full. The carton is full.
Ah, you're right.
Incredible.
Wait, you're too close. Yeah, yeah, it's nice. Not again. Ah. Wait.
I'm excited.
Wow, this is crazy, man.
Look, the horses there. And here this is also full. Oh no, it's not. Some of them are. Look at this. Look how many there are.
Oh putain, c'est trop beau en plus, c'est trop bien fait. Regarde toutes les boîtes. Putain, ça prend la poussière. Tu regardes, c'est les...
Wow.
de samouraï,
Oh
putain.
my god.
Je pense qu'il y en a beaucoup, ça leur ferait plaisir d'avoir ça en décoration. Mais moi j'aimerais bien avoir ça en décoration. La vaisselle.
And the thing is, nobody comes and steals, you know, nobody.
Non.
Wow. Incredible. It's a samurai armor.
Regarde Sébastien.
Smells bad.
Je connais, mais regarde-moi ça.
What
C'est quoi?
the fuck?
J'ai l'impression que c'est des vrais trucs. C'est des vrais, hein, c'est pas pour vendre. Parce que tu sais, dans tous les temples, en fait, il y a un musée en fait à l'étage. Tu sais, avec des katanas et trucs. This is from a museum. Parce que regarde, comme c'est lourd.
Super impressive to me.
Waouh. Putain.
How expensive this everything is, and just
Ah ouais,
left it here.
Ouais.
Look here, the mask.
Look, shine a little bit like here. Fuck, this is good.
Yeah.
Oh putain, pas assez de lumière. What, it's crazy.
Here. Benoit, put this on.
Ah ouais, avec la protection pour le cou. Même j'ai l'impression que c'est vraiment des...
Yeah.
C'est pas des décorations quoi, c'est des vrais trucs.
Is it real?
Après, j'ai
There, yeah. Wow, it looks crazy. Badass. Nice. I want this one.
Yeah, it's good. Me too.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Whoa.
Hey, Sébastien, regarde. Last time I told you, everywhere we go.
Everywhere
c'est
we go,
set.
golf. Yeah, more golf.
Sauf que là, il y a une armure à côté, tu vois.
Nice, yeah. Incredible.
Okay. Is it the way up? No, it's not.
There is one there.
Okay.
Let's go, not go to the door.
Let's not stay in front of the window.
I think here.
Did you see this?
No. These are all original.
I think so. Is it? It's crazy.
I mean, no, is it not? Look at inside. Look at all of it. I mean,
Je pense-
if not, they are super good
No,
replicas.
this is not. This one is light.
Ah,
The one over there was not light.
okay.
Here?
Yeah,
Wow, okay. Putain.
it's creepy.
Wow. This is not the official stairs.
No, I think there was elevator only.
Non, non, il y a stairs.
Yeah.
Oh putain, des papillons partout sur les murs, regarde.
What are they doing here? It's super dark.
Ok. Putain, c'est stressant dans le noir.
It's super stressing.
I don't know what's. We don't know what's behind the door. Nothing?
Nothing.
Not nothing. Wow, it's not bad. Okay.
Wait, the door is closing slowly.
I wanna put something. Give me a box. Let's film this. Ok. J'avais dit une fois dans une J'avais dit une fois en vidéo, quand vous explorez, toujours avoir un téléphone portable sur soi parce que ça peut faire office de lumière d'appoint. Voilà, on est content de les avoir. Voilà.
Oh, fuck you. Hein?
Putain, c'est comme un. Regarde, on dirait un piège.
Is it an alarm?
It's not. Everything is fixed together to where?
Why?
I don't know. Who would do that?
Here, it's here to this one. Look at this. Why is it fixed on this one? Maybe children come here and play games,
I don't know.
you know, and then it's like here
Maybe
to scare us, huh?
it's really fun. That's strange.
No, it's just really
Ça,
to
c'était-
scare.
Ça c'était la partie musée. Regarde, encore un tableau.
Yeah.
Et là, je pense que c'était une maquette de la ville sur la table. You know, you always have this
Yeah.
replica of the city. So let's not go here.
Careful, maybe they want you to go this way.
No, let's go like this.
Yeah,
Just in case.
just in case.
J'ai entendu un bruit, il y a.
Hmm?
There's an animal or something.
Is there? How do you know?
I heard, like. Regarde les décorations.
Maybe it's a rat, so it's okay.
Your light is so much powerful than mine.
I have a different phone. Huh? This table fucking scared me before there. This is so stressful.
Yeah. Putain. Okay. I'll keep this with me.
It's the stairs. They're super scary.
Oh le bruit, putain. Après le. Putain, le bruit que ça fait. L'immeuble est en super bon état quand même.
Is it steady? Yeah, right?
Yeah, yeah, is it? It is.
What is this?
This is not for customers.
Careful, there are more cables.
Putain, y'a un truc qui m'a fait peur.
Huh? Something die?
Non. But there is like a... Look.
Ah,
Let's go closer.
open a window.
Ils ont condamné toutes les fenêtres, c'est pour ça que c'est si noir. Putain. Je savais qu'il y en avait en plus. Fuck. Et ici. What is this over there? I don't know. C'est quoi?
Like old asbestos or whatever. From the construction.
Is it?
I mean, it's not an original castle. It's like remade.
You think?
Yeah. Maybe just the outside or so. Here's another. Huh?
Ah, t'as raison, regarde les ascenseurs et les tasses.
Yeah.
On est au 3ème, on peut aller jusqu'au 5ème.
Mm.
Putain. Ok. Oh, look more.
Why did they do this?
Regarde. Everything is connected. I don't know why it's like, it's very strange this. Regarde. Ah, ceux-là ils sont super légers. Ça c'était juste des trucs pour décorer.
Decoration?
Yeah.
Mm.
Ils sont vraiment légers. Regarde, tout ça c'en est.
Wow.
Oh putain. Ok, let's continue.
Yeah. Fourth.
Regarde, il y a un restaurant.
Restaurant? Wow.
Putain, mais c'est dingue le nombre de trucs. Tout est plein en fait. Je suis sûr que c'est tous les trucs du musée. Ils ont tout emballé dans des cartons, ils les ont laissés comme ça. Il n'y a que des tableaux en fait. Regarde. Oh, regarde ça, on dit Camille.
Yeah, yeah. I see on the ground too. People walk around here.
C'est des photos du château vu de l'extérieur.
Wow.
You're shining too much. C'est la même fille sur tous les. C'est la
Oh, it's
même-
the same.
I don't know.
It's the same person.
Yeah.
She's the owner of here or something.
How can you own a castle? Yeah,
Yeah.
but it says it's a Tokugawa castle.
It's maybe just from the outside. Oh, it's a replica?
Pourquoi ils avaient pas d'ascenseur les Tokugawa?
I mean, it looks too new, all of it.
Yeah. But inside it's always super good, every castle.
Yeah. Like this?
Wow. Je m'attendais pas à trouver une cuisine. En fait, ça c'était un resto en fait.
Mm.
Ça, c'est pareil, t'as tous les ustensiles, et tout est resté comme ça. Ok, ils avaient pas une vue dégueulasse. Look at
The view?
Putain, Regarde, il y a un insecte noir. Watch out for this.
Yeah. Why are they doing this? Probably a child playing here or
I
something.
don't think so. It's to maintain the door open or something.
You think so? Not sure. What is this? No, it's nothing. Blech. Old stuff here. Disgusting. Nothing.
Putain, il y a des trucs même dans les...
Hmm.
tous les recoins.
Wow.
Regarde, je sais pas.
Hmm.
3 machines pour les sous. Il y en avait une autre là, une en bas. Il y avait du cash qui tournait hein, ici.
Still full.
Yeah, it's full.
Oil.
Shoyu,
Yeah.
sauce de soja.
Ouais.
Non, c'est bon.
There's also bonito flakes.
Regarde.
Bonito flakes. But you know there are no rats. So they would have eat everything.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah. That's impressive. Here, you can go out here too.
Cool. Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
you come from here.
No?
Yeah, yeah, non, non.
No.
Fuck. Il y a trois accès. Les ascenseurs et 2 escaliers. Okay, it's bright in here.
Okay, cool. I turn off my flashlight. What's happened?
Toujours des trucs pour te surprendre, regarde.
What is there? Ah. I'm scared.
Regarde, d'abord tu vois une araignée. Putain, elle est jolie en plus. Putain, on dirait une fausse tellement elle est bien faite. Oh putain, elle bouge.
I didn't see it. It's too fast.
You didn't see it?
But it's okay.
Watch out.
Yeah.
Oh putain, il y a des têtes là-bas. Putain, mais on est où? C'est un truc de malade. C'est le truc des horreurs. Et il y a des corps par terre.
Wait, what?
C'est un truc de taré ici. C'est des surprises.
Wow. Bonjour.
Can you go from here and then there's my head.
Yeah. This is oil here. It's like a. What did they sell here? Puppets and. Yeah.
C'est marrant parce que ça, on aurait ça dans un musée, enfin tu vois, on n'y prêterait pas forcément attention, mais que ce soit laissé à l'abandon comme ça fait vraiment bizarre quoi, parce que du coup tu te rends compte de la valeur des choses, enfin de la beauté en tout cas des choses. Dire c'est dommage, regarde ils sont super bien faits. Hein. Et t'as l'histoire des poupées et tout, je pense que c'est des trucs artisanales du coin. Regarde t'as même un Matsuri, c'est la fête des poupées qu'ils ont dans le coin.
Is that this? Is it not the doll fest where they are burning the dolls? Wow.
It's moving.
Look at this one.
Let's have some action. Okay.
Wow.
Et elle me fait trop peur. Qu'est-ce qu'elle fout là? C'était pour vendre. En fait, ça c'était à vendre.
It's for kimono.
This is for sale.
Yeah.
Semble. Ok.
Since 10 years here.
Yeah.
And she didn't sleep for 10 years. Huh?
Um,
Eyes are open.
Ça c'est cool.
Wow. We wanted to enter here in winter. Would have been cool.
Yeah, I'm glad we didn't.
Yeah, so now, yeah. One more time.
Wow. Yeah. Donc ça c'était un magasin aussi.
Did this head come fly through the window?
See how high we are.
Mm.
I don't want to from this window over there. I don't want people to see it. Regarde tous les insectes. Ah, putain, c'est...
Yeah.
Let's have the outside. Usually we can go on the roof, but not here. Oh.
Wow!
Putain de mannequin.
Stop scaring me!
Look at this.
There's some legs only.
Yeah, attends, ça pourrait être, mais ce serait un cadavre, ce serait le même effet.
There are many ways to go up.
There is a door, I think it's closed.
Okay.
And it's not. Oh putain, encore plus de cadavres. Putain, mais il est tellement grand ce... Ok.
How many dead insects here?
Yeah. Wow. Get a close-up of her, maybe.
More? You stepped on a dead insect.
Si je marchais sur un frelon, on dirait des cornflakes.
Yeah.
C'est ça, c'est les Matsuri. Oh, il y a un Classic Car Festival, Sébastien, dans le coin.
Wow, there was one once.
Wow, Hokkaido Classic Car Festival. We have to check this.
If it's still there.
Let me take a picture. On est revenu ici parce qu'on était là en janvier. On était là On est revenu ici parce qu'on était là il y a quelques mois et on trouvait vraiment ce bâtiment. Let me go here. On est revenu ici parce qu'on était là il y a quelques mois en hiver et juste on voulait revoir la beauté du bâtiment parce que de l'extérieur on le trouvait magnifique. On s'attendait pas du tout à pouvoir rentrer. En hiver, c'était vraiment hermétique, quoi. Et là, quelqu'un a fait une entrée, t'as vu? Waouh!
Yeah.
Quelle belle surprise! On est arrivé à Hokkaido. On est arrivé à Hokkaido il y a 3 heures. On a roulé 3 heures en voiture et pouf! Excite! Putain! Ouais, we need the drone là.
Yeah. Wow!
Putain, mais dès que je.
You're always scared if you do something. Wow! My son is like, wow! Always, wow!
You know, I don't see anything, but.
Yeah.
Ah, look! Spider web.
Yeah. You can't
It's
go.
huge actually.
Yeah, it is. You can't go outside there.
Yeah.
I mean, don't do it. This is like a rescue thing, so.
Yeah. Okay, wow.
Mhm. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah,
It is.
it was cool.
That's super cool.
Yeah. Stupid wires. Why are you doing this?
Okay.
Also, the door stays open or what now?
So it doesn't make too much noise. Can we go back from this way or the other?
I don't know, maybe it's locked down there. Wait,
No,
let me
this maybe was the regular
open
stairs.
the light.
The one we came from too.
Yeah, wait. Right,
Yeah, we came from here.
okay. So I don't think this is a real Tokugawa castle. It's just a replica.
I don't know. I think they were one and they rebuilt it or something.
No, I don't think so. Why didn't they rebuild the inside? Why didn't they rebuild the inside?
But the inside of the castle, every castle of Japan is new like this, it's the same.
Yeah?
Yeah. You never been to a castle?
Yeah, I've been, but I don't
Like
know.
I mean I went 1, 2 or 3 times, but every time it's like this, it's exactly the same.
Mm.
I think it's original. It's just they redid everything. Like every temple in Japan has been rebuilt many times and stuff.
Yeah, but originally, look here, they have super new walls and everything.
But this is always inside. It's
Yeah,
always
it doesn't even look like a real castle, just from outside. Wow.
C'est des faux.
Yeah.
Ok. Exfiltration.
Is there not more? No, right?
Oh, but this we didn't. Oh, look.
What do they have here?
It's the same. All this.
All same?
Yeah.
It's all stuff that is expensive. Around Juman and so.
Yeah. It's crazy.
Wow.
Did we get the office?
No. No, I didn't go here. Keys. Wait a second.
Regarde. Look. On est dans les bureaux, regarde la littérature qu'ils avaient. HTML et CSS. Yeah, that was crazy.
That's good, we have a video.
Yeah.
34 minutes already. I didn't. Huh? It's an insect.
I think without the light it's fun to like another angle.
Yeah.
Because I know that one.
I'm sorry.
Or maybe yes, stay in the back. Nice. Okay, let's go.
Oof. You're crazy. Many things. But
Use the car for river water.
it's a car, right? Wait, I can't.
Let's have some views from here and stuff. The drone we can make all this kind of shit. From here maybe.